Hi all, welcome to this eBay listing. What I have for sale here today is an Acer Aspire. It is the 5733Z model. It's got a sticker on the back for Windows 7 Home Premium Edition. Just quickly show you that there. Don't want you to see the code, of course. It's not fair on the buyer. Right. So here's the underneath. Sorry about. Oh, sorry. As you can see, it's in pretty good condition. It's got a few scratches, but what you'd expect, eh? May have a few screws missing here and there. I don't know. Just looking now. I can see one screw missing. Oh, I can see one screw missing. Okay. Here's the top. It's got a few scratches here. Could do a bit of a polish up. Right. Now the keyboard. There's a missing key. Ideally, you could do with a new UK keyboard. It's got an American keyboard on. So, for instance, there's an @ sign over the letter 2. With the UK keyboard, there would be the speech marks. There's a missing key. But I've seen keyboard. You can get keyboards off eBay for £11. No problem whatsoever. The key which is missing is an alt key. It's not the end of the world, but quite useful. The screen wants a polish, of course. I'll give it a polish on when I send it. The microphone's got a few issues. It just doesn't work. Right, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be selling this laptop as being faulty. Reasons being, I found, is since I've had it, it's worked absolutely perfect. It's got 4 gig of RAM, 500 gigabyte hard drive. It's got a Pentium P6 200 2.18 dual core processor, I think it is. Runs brilliant. The problem I have is if I do something graphical, for instance, if I load a game on it or something, you'll end up just powering itself off for no reason whatsoever. I don't know if it's because the processor can't handle it. I don't know if the GPU's got issues. I don't know if it really needs reworking. I don't know if it's overheating, the fans need replacing or heat sinks, but I'm selling it as faulty based on that fact. So, right, so I'll show you. If it ends up going off, I couldn't tell you, but I'll just show you thingy. Next step, I will wipe the hard drives completely. I'll reinstall Windows back onto it. But when you get the laptop, it's going to be completely wiped. I'll install the drivers and everything, and I'll pull the drivers in a directory on the hard drive. I'll separate the hard drive as well into 2 drives, being the C drive for mainly all the installations, and I'll make a D drive which is going to be something like a 300 gigabyte empty drive where you can store all your files. Also with the laptop, I'm going to give you McAfee Internet Security 2013 and McAfee Family Protection. Both brand spanking new. This one will work onto 1 PC, this one will work up to 3 PCs. Brand new, still sealed. I'll also chuck it in, excuse me, I'll also give you a pair of brand spanking new speakers, just in case you got a bit of music you want to blast out. Brand spanking new speakers, never used. Thing still sealed. So, there you go. Right, you'll have to excuse its time it's taking, it's because it's got that much stuff on. It does load a lot faster once it's been wiped. but the main thing is I want to show you running. Oh, you have to excuse that, it's my daughter's dimensions. This one does say the copy of Windows is not genuine. That's because I put the ultimate version on the PC, which is supposed to have the Pro version. But I'm sure we'll do it. Anyway, so here's a little PC. If I just go to the control panel. These programs won't be on. Like I say, it's going to be wiped. Right, so system and security. Right, if I go and zoom on this anyway. So it's a new camera and I don't know how to use it. I don't think I have. Let's see if I can bring this closer to you. I don't know if you can see that. I'll take a photograph of it anyway and put it on the advert. So that's the specs. It's a Intel Pentium R CPU P6200 running at 2 cores at 2.13 GHz on each core. So 4 gig installed, 64-bit operating system will be installed. It's got a 500 gigabyte hard drive in it. It's got an Intel HD graphics card. I know it doesn't tell you much. A Matsushita DVD RAM drive, UJ8BO. Can't say I've ever had a problem burning any discs with it. And that's mainly it really on that front, showing you the settings wise. Next one, just going to see if there's any way I can show you the webcam working. So I'm just going to load Skype up. Right. If I just let myself offline. Yay, you get to see the... That's a webcam, that's me, good old... That's a good old camera. It's actually a good camera, this is. If you ever after a camera, it's a Lumix DC Vario. Very good camera. Audio settings. It's picking up on the other notes now. I don't know if you can notice that, but when I'm talking, it isn't really picking up on anything at all. So, I just want to show you that's the microphone not working properly. You saw the webcam working properly. I normally plug in a microphone if I'm going to be using Skype. So that's that one. It's got a SD card port on there, DVD RAM, VGA, network, USB to the left, microphone, speaker inputs, two USB, my DVD writer. Just quickly show you that side. It hasn't got HDMI output, unfortunately. And then there's the SD card front. So there you go, you can see it working, but like I said, I am selling it as being faulty because there isn't really much heat on the keyboard at the moment. Can't really feel much anyway, and I can feel the fan working fine. If I just run Assassin's Creed, I don't know the best settings to put these games. Very rarely I ever play a game on it. I use it for applications and Microsoft Office and stuff like that. I was playing Monkey Island on it, and that's generally, it normally crashes out of Monkey Island and resets itself. That's where it generally overheats. I'm trying to show you this thing turning itself off. I can't seem to go and do it. So this is an Assassin's Creed game currently running on it. Just wanted to show you again quickly. I know it's a bit jittery. I don't know how to set up the graphics on it. Well, there you go. Like I say, normally what would happen is the laptop would, I can feel a tiny little bit of heat building up here. Normally what would happen is the laptop would just drop dead. I haven't seemed to made it happen yet for this game. It's not happened for Photoshop or nothing. It's not dropped dead during web. I do a lot of web design. It hasn't dropped dead doing any web design. It hasn't dropped dead doing any DVD writing. It has dropped dead actually decoding, like doing like video conversion from, I don't know, AVI to DVD or DVD to MP4. It's happened then. But anyway, you get the idea. I wanted to show you the video. I wanted you to see for yourself what the crack is. And I hope it helped you to understand. Well, I hope I've tried to make some sense about what's going on. That's the keyboard. It's an American keyboard, like I say. 11 quid will get you a UK one. There's the touchpad. That works fine, no issues there. So that's that. Like I say, you're going to get the speakers. And you're going to get these McAfees as well. Right, so thanks very much. Hope it's helped you. I know I've probably talked a load of crud. It's just I'm not very good at doing videos. I don't really ever do them. Well, thanks again. whoever buys it, hope you like it. It's been a good laptop for me, but I've moved on now. So thanks again. Good night.